Hi, Adam. This is Lisa from Leads in Digital Marketing. Thank you so much for giving me your information so I can make you this educational video. I'm going to go over three things that you need to pay attention as a business owner to your website to make sure that you are doing everything possible to get as many leads as you can through your website. Again, your website should be making you money. So the first thing I want to talk about is content. Content is anything on like words on your front page or home page. This needs to be high quality and relevant to your business. Typically, we want to see 1,500 words on the front page. I did a quick analysis and it was about 212 words. So you can definitely add to that using the keywords and keyword phrases that you want to rank for on Google. Also, these photos should be, let's see, these need to be, oh yeah, these need to be saved as keywords or keyword phrases that you're trying to rank for again. So that could be garage door repair, Baltimore, Maryland, or garage service services, Baltimore, Maryland, whatever you are trying to rank for. So all these photos need to be throughout your whole website, need to be saved as keywords. Okay. Secondly, uh, what do we see here? We see these Google guaranteed companies. I suggest you do that. It just makes you look more credible to a potential client or a customer. And then you see this ad. Google ads are quite expensive, but if done properly and you have the correct budget, that it could give you a good ROI. And then we see the Google Map Pack. This is actually really important for businesses to be part of because a lot of consumers go straight into the Google Map Pack, pick one that has the best reviews, and that's who they use. So to get into this Google Map Pack, you have to have a lot of citations. Citations are just online directories that list your business name, your phone number, and your address. And there's, free ones just like Yelp, Yellow Pages, um, let's see, Facebook, and there's obviously ones that you have to pay for. So to get into the Google Map Pack, you have to just have more citations than your competitors, but you also have to do your website has to be correctly done. So it has to have the content that I was talking about and the keywords that I was talking about, because Google ranks websites higher if you have a lot of content. Well, high quality, relevant content. They see that as value to the customer. So, okay, so when you scroll down, you see Yelp. That's a directory. Yelp again. And this is what we call the organic section, what comes up naturally. So this is the company that is essentially number one for Google, for garage door repair, Baltimore, Maryland. I just put that in there. I thought that's what you would probably want to rank for. I see that you have a Philadelphia location. So what you have to do is if you want to rank for Philadelphia, you have to completely put that on a different page. And if Baltimore, Maryland is your main concern, then keep that on your home page and then just have a different location tab for the Philly location. So I'll show you your website's analysis, and then your competitors' analysis, and you can see the differences of what you're doing and what he's doing. So this is yours. This is your dashboard. So the third thing you want to pay attention to is backlinks. So referring domains, think of it as a credible source, giving you a high five, giving you a boost, giving you a thumbs up, and giving you a backlink saying that you're a credible, good company to work for or to service garage doors or to sell supplies for garages. So this is low, and the backlinks is actually a huge component on if you're ranking high on Google, meaning on the first page or the second page. So this is pretty low. You have 4 organic keywords that are bringing 0 visitors to your website monthly and bringing $0. So this definitely is something you need to work for or work with and work on to improve. Well, overall, just this whole picture. It's your website basically is non-existent on Google. It's not bringing any visitors to it monthly. The whole point is to bring people to your website to click on it and to call. Your website should be making you money, right? So let's see what keywords. So they're not even ranking. Um, so this is what your competitor is doing. So this is number 1. So this is why they are number 1, right? So they have 41 referring domains. They have 522 backlinks. It's a lot. So I can essentially go in and see what they're doing and basically copy them and obviously put more backlinks so you rank higher. But again, Google's super smart. They only want organic or natural, I guess, results, you can say. So I can't put 522 backlinks to your website in a month. Google will ding you, meaning like it will lower your rating on Google and keep you from being on the first page, second page, third page, right? So you have to add 5 first month, maybe 10 the next month, so on and so forth, right? They're ranking for 240 keywords. Well, let's go back. They're ranking for 240 keywords, right? That's bringing them 104 visitors to their website a month, right? So it's giving them that traffic value when, again, yours was just 0. So we can see what organic keywords. See, garage door repair, Maryland. So right here, this is a keyword, a key phrase you need to be ranking for. 150 people are searching that a month. They're the second ranking website on Google. Garage door repair, Baltimore, Maryland. 80 people are searching that a month. There's number 2. So you can see 150 people, garage door repair, Columbia, Maryland. So between this one and this one, that's 300 people that could be potentially calling your website, right? And so you have to tie these keyword phrases to a city, to the cities that you want to rank for. If you want to rank for Baltimore only and Philadelphia only, okay, then you have to use this, double these, and just use, you have to apply each keyword phrase to each location that you're trying to rank for. I hope that makes sense. And again, this is not a perfect tool. This is just like these, if you look here, that's when it was last updated. So it's within the past 2 weeks, right? Garage, let's see what else. See, garage doors, Maryland. So this would be purchasing a garage. I know that you supply the supplies for garages, but you and service them. So this is something I could definitely help you with. I hope this kind of makes more sense in terms of, I know it can be overwhelming, but I hope this gives you an overall picture of what your competitor's doing and then essentially what you're not doing. I hope that you didn't pay anyone to make that website because it wasn't done correctly. So I just hope you didn't pay. But again, I'm here to help. I can help you with everything that I mentioned. I also help with Facebook ads and Google ads. So if you want to schedule a discovery call, this is where I learn about you, your business, what your business goals are, your personal goals are, and see if we can move forward and working together. I really like to clarify goals and just make sure that I'm able to deliver on those, okay? So this is my phone number, call, text, email. I'll email this video right over, okay? Or Facebook message you, okay? Thank you. Have a great night.